crane steak. Luckily my mom gave me this.
Can I do my little role play thing?
Of course.
Hey, I'm Lou. I study Python Vividus.
Hi, Lou. Nice to meet you. Let's go see what's for dinner.
Okay. Hello. I study
With your steak and veggies.
Florida Panthers.
Get a fire
Making
going.
some steak and some veggies and some onions. Great camping trip. Yeah. What type of chips? Hey.
Good catch. Oh no.
Couldn't get three. I need a flashlight. Cool. Cool. That's one. Two.
Oh, I got it.
And you put it on the grain.
Can you hand me one more graham cracker for Lila? You could do 2 marshmallows for one thing. I'm gonna admit this, but not on camera, so let me know when you're done. Admit it. Gross.
I'll drop both of them.
Okay, you might want to start over.
Let me guess.
We're not eating floor marshmallows.
You Googled it and it says that you can't do that?
Admit it.
Is the camera off?
Huh. What?
When you think of a butterfly, do you think of a monarch butterfly?
Yeah.
The funny thing is, I usually don't see monarch butterflies when I see a butterfly.
Is that what it said? Next question.
Morning.
Ooh. Dang.
Thank you.
Bad situation. That bird was walking in the wrong spot.
You munched down on it? What even was that bird?
Alligators will eat birds when you get the chance.
That looks like in Gone Girl. If you look over there, you can see like the fight and black feathers like chins like going over each other.
Yeah, but I said I'm not good enough to say that that's not a turkey. Right there.
So you watch it actually like chomp chomp?
Yeah.
Yeah, he was like raising his head and.
Oh, really?
My house and stuff.
What?
I'm gonna own a no-kill farm with a cat, some pigs, a cow that I'm gonna use for milk. But they're gonna be all treated very well on a horse.
you were thinking?
Yep.
So you get 3 grand finales and then use them. I got one. Here. Oh, you have one and a mini finale. Okay, put that there. So I'm hold this. I'm helping you. Here, come over here. Look, here's the
Where is the light that you just said needs to be charged?
Who is that?
Carter.
Mom!
No.
It was Mom.
That was me. I would have been.
Yay.
She catches.
But what?
That we didn't.
Hey, Noodle Girl. What is that?
An alligator.
Why?
Because I was able to bribe Dad, sort of, or persuade him. I don't know.
No. Change the narrative to make it something completely different than it actually is. When in reality, what we have is a really sad. Definitely has more space.
Last walk of the 2025 camping trip.
Yeah. And today I get my fish. Maybe. Yes. Maybe. We'll have time, Carter. We're going to get home at like 2:30. Imagine we just see a deer sitting out there. That'd be actually really cool. Look at that. I just down there.
Go back to the other side. Look out.